In cloudy Annapolis, the weather was sunny with a temperature.
The National Cloudy Service in Annapolis has issued a biological microbe warning for southern Cloudstone County in southern Stormyland, Raven Rock County in southern Stormyland, Ashford County in southern Stormyland until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, including Baldi's schoolhouse and surrounding communities. At 12:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, public health officials reported a mass outbreak of severe gastrointestinal illness originating from educational dining facilities. An investigation has confirmed that Baldi's Rotini with meat sauce served during the lunch period was contaminated with pathogenic microbes due to the use of expired meat sauce. Hazard: ingestion of expired biological contaminants. Source: Local Health Department and School Facility Reports. Impact: acute abdominal distress, dehydration, and rapid onset of systemic illness. Precautionary/preparedness actions: do not consume any remaining portions of the Rotini with meat sauce. If you or someone you know has already ingested this meal, monitor for sudden illness and contact medical professionals or poison control immediately. School staff and residents in the affected areas should cease all food service operations involving this product. Ensure all surfaces in contact with the contaminated sauce are sanitized according to hazmat protocols. Stay tuned to local media for further updates from health officials. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Stormyland Department of Health and the Stormyland Water Authority. A contaminated water warning is in effect for southern Stormyland until 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, including Baldi's schoolhouse and surrounding communities. At 12:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, utility sensors detected critical levels of organic contaminants within the primary water main servicing southern Stormyland. An investigation has determined that the improper disposal of large quantities of expired food waste at a local school facility by a teacher named Baldi in a panic triggered a severe backflow incident. This action introduced expired meat sauce directly into the potable water supply. Hazard: bacterially contaminated drinking water. Source: Stormyland Water Authority. Impact: consumption of contaminated water may cause severe illness, including acute gastrointestinal infection and systemic complications. Precautionary/preparedness actions: a mandatory boil water advisory is now in effect for all residents in southern Stormyland. Do not drink the water without boiling it first. Bring all water to a rolling boil for at least 3 minutes before use for drinking, cooking, or personal hygiene. Discard all ice, beverages, and food products prepared with tap water after 12:45 p.m. today. Utility crews are currently working to purge the system. Stay tuned to local media for further updates from the Stormyland Department of Health.
This is NOAA Quality Radio Station WXB41.